Murdock, we're across the street. What's going on?
Trash bags! I want trash bags!
Empress 6 to Empress 1. Empress 6 to Empress 1.
Anchovies! That fool put anchovy on his pizza. I'm gonna kill him!
Ciao, baffo. Spaghetti al dente. Fettuccine alfredo. Cappuccino con molto schiuma, Fettuccine alfredo. Cappuccino con molto schiuma. No, capisci? Scongili.
Anchovies! Anchovies! That fool put anchovy on his pizza. I'm gonna kill him!
First, we gotta find out what they want.
How we gonna do that?
Face isn't in the dining room.
He wasn't in there when I went to pick up the pizza either.
Ciao, baffo. Spaghetti al dente. Fettuccine alfredo. Cappuccino con molto schiuma, capito? Fettuccine alfredo. Cappuccino con molto schiuma. No, capisci? Scongili.
I love it when a plan comes together.
once I was in there.
It's unnatural. But you wouldn't notice it unless you were looking for it.
Yes, hello, Mr. Leibster.
The Attorney General's in there.
We have you down for your 9 o'clock reservation. Everything's okay?
Got it. How many hoods are in there?
The usual specials are 3. But I'd stay away from Villa Becca. It doesn't look too good.
Okay. You and Frank stand by.